Hello student, today we study expansions. This is chapter 3 of class 9, a plus b whole square. So this is in short a plus b, and we expand this. What is the product of a plus b whole square? So a plus b whole square, this is algebraic expression, and when we multiply itself 2 times, so this product is called the expansion of a plus b whole square. It means the formula already written here, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how can we say that the value of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square? So it means itself multiply 2 times. For example, 5 square. So what is the value of 5 square? It means 5 into 5. 2 times multiply, which is equal to 5 is 25. Similarly, we multiply here. How proof that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means in left hand side we multiply the value of a plus b whole square, means a plus b into a plus b, and the product should be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first we multiply like 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. So a plus b whole square, a plus b into a plus b. So first term, there is 2 expression. Here is binomial and here is also 2 term binomial. So multiply binomial by the binomial. So first a multiply into a and a multiply by b, and once again second term once again multiply by first term, and second term once again multiply by second term of the second expression. So we can say a means first term of the first expression multiply in whole a plus b, and once again plus b multiply the second expression a plus b. We can write like this, or directly a into a is a square, a into b is ab, or here a into a square plus a into b, that is ab, plus b into a, that is ab or ba, plus b into second term, b multiply in first term, once again b multiply in second term, so b square. So which is equal to a square plus ab plus ab. 5 into 4 is equal to 4 into 5, both is equal to 20. Either we multiply a into b or b into a, both hold the commutative property of the multiplication. So we can write ab plus ab is equal to 2ab or 2ba plus b square, which is equal to RHS, right hand side. So a plus b whole square, we multiply itself 2 times, and the product is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is RHS, right hand side. Similarly, we can prove that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means a minus b square, a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b. Similarly, we multiply 2 times, and the product will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third proof, this is first proof, second is same as first, and third proof a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So this is also same as first, means the product of left hand side is always equal to RHS, right hand side. So we solve LHS, A plus B into A minus B. A multiply in whole plus B multiply in whole, means first term multiply in second expression and second term of first expression multiply in whole first expression. Now A into A square, once again A multiply by B, but plus A into minus B, plus into minus is minus, A into B is AB. Similarly plus B multiply in A, so plus AB and plus B multiply in minus B, so plus B into minus B, which is equal to minus B square. Plus into minus is minus and B into B is B square, so we write minus B square. Here minus AB and plus AB both will be cancelled, the value is A square and here minus B square, so which is right hand side. So this is called the special product of the algebraic expression. This is special product. If we put any value of A and B, so it must be equal to A square minus B square, or we put the value of any value of A and B whole square and it always satisfy A square plus 2AB plus B square. So in this situation LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that these special products are called the algebraic identities. These special products are called the algebraic identities. Similarly fourth one also, A plus B plus C. So first we discuss these three. A plus B whole square. Consider the value is 2x plus 3y whole square. What is the value of 2x plus 3y whole square? So either we multiply 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y, means itself multiply by 2 times, or directly use the algebraic identities. So what is the formula of A plus B whole square? That is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here A is equal to, we write here A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3y. So A plus B whole square means first term plus second term whole square is always equal to first term square, means A square. So A square means 2x whole square plus 2 into first term into second term means 2AB. 2 into first term is 2x and second term is 3y plus B square means 3y whole square. So we can write 2 square is 4x square plus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12xy and plus 9y square. So this is the product of 2x plus 3y whole square. This value is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Similarly we take A minus B whole square. Consider 4x or 4a minus 7y or 7b whole square. So this is which formula we apply? A minus b whole square. The question always, when you see the question, then question reply we use which identities among these algebraic identities. So this is first term minus second term whole square. It means we use A minus B whole square, this formula. So we can use the formula. First we write what is the value of here. A is equal to, what is the value of first term? 4a. A is equal to 4a and b is equal to not minus 7b, because this is formula a minus b whole square. So the value of b is 7b, or you can take any other number, that is 4p and 7q. So a is equal to 4p and b is equal to 7q. So we solve a minus b whole square, a square 4p whole square plus a square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a means 4p into b is 7q plus 7q means b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to 16p square minus 4 to the 8 7 the 56pq, and here 7 square is 49q square. So this is 16p square minus 56pq plus 49q square. Okay, so here exercise 3.1 based on the previous formula, means algebraic identities. We use the algebraic identities standard formula, and first question, by using standard formula expand the following. So first one, 1 upon 2x plus 2 upon 3y whole square. Find the value of 1 upon 2x plus 2 upon 3y whole square. So we have to expand first one. So the first formula is 1 by 2x plus 2 by 3y whole square is first term plus second term whole square. We use which formula? A plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we use this formula. What is the value of a? Here a is equal to 1 upon 2x, b is equal to 2 upon 3y. So we use this formula. A square, that is 1 by 2 a square plus 2ab, 2 into a is 1 by 2x and b is second term 2 upon 3y plus b square, that is 2 by 3y whole square. So what is the value of 1 by 2x whole square? 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 x square plus 2 and 2 cancel, 1 into 2 is 2 upon 3, x into y is xy plus 2 by 3 means the first we square the fraction, so 4 upon 9, and y square means y square. So the value is 1 by 4x square plus 2 by 3xy plus 4 by 9y square. Similarly, second formula also, a minus b whole square. So a is 3x and b is 1 by 2x. Similarly, we use the formula for the second, a minus b whole square, a square as it is, only we change the sign here, minus 2ab plus b square. And similarly third one, x plus 3 into x plus 5, expand this third one. So second we solve using this formula, and third one x plus 3 and x plus 5. So the value here we use which formula? X plus a into x plus b. Here the first term is same, but the second term are different, means in first expression second term is A and in second expression the second term is B. So we write x square plus sum of the second terms into first term plus product of the second term, means x plus A into x plus B is equal to first term square plus sum of the second terms into first term, that is x, plus product of the A into B, means product of the second terms. So here we apply the same formula, x plus A into x plus B. Here also first term is same but second term are different. So we use formula x square plus sum of the second terms, means 3 plus 5 into first term plus product of the second term, 3 into 5. So which is equal to x square plus 5 3 8x plus 5 3 is a 15. So this is answer. We can also find the same answer by multiply first expression with second expression. First expression by the second expression, when we multiply together we get the product, same product. Similarly here x minus 7 and x plus 9, this is also by the same formula, but in fourth one x minus 7 and x plus 9. So we can write in the form of first term, both first term same but second term are different. So we write in this way, means x plus A into x plus B. So we can write x plus minus 7 plus into x plus 9. So what is the value of first term? X is equal to, here x is equal to same x and A is equal to minus 7 and B is equal to 9. So we write here, what is the value? We can write from here x plus A into x plus B. So x square, formula is x square plus A plus B, in bracket A plus B means minus 7 plus 9 into first term, that is x, plus product of AB which is equal to minus 7 into 9. So we can write x square plus minus 7 plus 9, 9 minus 7 which is equal to 2, and x is here plus minus 7 into 9. So minus 9 7 ja 63, minus 63 and plus into minus is minus 63. So this is answer, x square plus 2x minus 63. So we can write in the form of, this was x minus a, but we write in the form of x plus a in standard formula. So x plus minus 7, we can write plus into minus is minus 7, x minus 7 we can write x plus minus 7 and x plus 9, and then use the algebraic identities, that is standard formula x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b, and simplify, that is x square minus 7 plus 9. So 9 minus 7 which is equal to 2 into x minus 7, 9 7 ja 63. So plus into minus is minus 63. Similarly other question also, a minus b whole cube, here a plus b plus c whole square. This is next question. Next, fifth one, 2x minus 3y plus 4z whole square. So we can write in the form of, we use a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to, the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. AB plus BC plus CA. So 2 is common, means A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So here first we write in the standard form, that is A plus B plus C, 2x plus minus 3y plus 4z whole square. So now this is in A plus B plus C, but the value of A is 2x, the value of B is minus 3y, and the value of C is 4z. Now apply the standard formula, that is A square means 2x whole square plus B square minus 3y whole square plus C square, that is 4z whole square plus 2 common. Now A into B, so 2 3 ja minus 6 xy minus 6 xy plus BC. So the value of BC means B into C minus 3y into 4z. So minus 3 into 4 is equal to minus 12 yz. So we can write minus 12 yz, and then CA, C into A, that is 4z into 2x. So 4 2 ja 8 and z into x. So we can write plus 8zx. Similarly, 2 square is 4, x square plus square of any negative number is always positive, means minus 3y whole square is equal to minus 3y into minus 3y, which is 9y square plus 4z whole square 16z square plus 2 into minus, here out of the bracket the sign is plus, so there is no change in the sign when we open the bracket and multiply by 2. So 2 6 is 12 minus 12xy minus 12 2 is 24yz, and then 2 8 is 16, we can write here 16zx. So this is answer. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 12xy minus 24yz plus 16zx. So first we make the standard formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square, and then simplify. Similarly, all the question a plus, first we write in the form of a plus b plus c whole square, where the value of a is 2 by 3x, b is equal to minus 3 by 2x, and c is equal to minus 1. And similarly, this is also a plus b whole cube. So try to solve this question remaining, and second question, simplify the following. Second one, simplify a plus b whole square, here a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So we use a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So we use the standard formula here, a square plus b square plus 2ab, the value when we expand a plus b whole square, and a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and now we open the bracket, simplify a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here before the bracket the sign is negative, when we open the bracket all sign will be changed, plus a square will be minus, plus into minus is minus a square, plus into minus is minus b square, and this minus will be plus 2ab. So here plus a square minus a square plus b square minus b square cancel, and 2ab plus 2ab is 4 AB. So we can evaluate this also. 7p plus 9q. Second one, 7p plus 9q and 7p minus 9q. So the value is 7p, first term same, second term same, but the sign is different sign, plus sign and here minus. So a plus b and a minus b means a b b, but plus and minus. So a plus b, a minus b, we have one formula. A plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square, means first term is whole square minus second term whole square. So 7p whole square minus 9q whole square, which is equal to 49p square minus 81q square. This is answer. Similarly, use a plus b whole square is equal to this to evaluate 101 whole square. So third one, 101 whole square, we use the standard formula. So we can write 100 plus 1 whole square, that is a plus b whole square, which is equal to, what is the formula? A plus b whole square, a square plus 1 square, that is 1, and a square plus b square plus 2ab are a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1. We can write 101 as 100 plus 1. So 10,000 100 square, 2 into 100 is 200 plus 1 square is 1. So 10,000 plus 200 plus 1, that is 10,201. So this is answer, 10,201. Similarly, second question, 10.2 whole square. We can write 10.2 whole square as second 10.2 whole square. So this is also 10 plus 0.2 whole square, which is equal to, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 0.2. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 10 into 0.2. So which is equal to 100 plus 0.04 plus 10 into 0.2 is 2, 2 to the 4. And we write 104 plus 0.04, which is equal to 104.04. Okay, so here standard formula, use standard formula, expand 2 minus x, 2 plus x and 4 plus x square is equal to. So what is the value? Means we have to expand, find the product. So here 2 and x and sign is minus and plus. So a minus b and a plus b, the formula is a square minus b square. So we write 2 minus x, 2 plus x means 2 square minus x square. 2 square is 4 minus x square, and here 4 plus x square. So once again 4 and x square means 4 minus x square, 4 plus x square, that is a minus b, a plus b. Once again we apply a square minus b square. So 4 square is 16 minus x square whole square, so that is 16 minus x raised to the power 4. So first we break this in the formula a minus b, a plus b, and once again it will be 4 minus x square and 4 plus x square, and once again it will be 16 minus x raised to the power 4. So here sixth next question, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 4, then we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So squaring both side, when we squaring both side, we get squaring both side, so the value will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is x and b is 1 upon x, which is equal to 4 square means 16. So here the value is x and x cancel, one is numerator, other is denominator, so x square plus 1 upon x square, which is equal to 16, and this will be 1 and 1 into 2, 2 ones are 2, so plus 2 will be, when we transpose from one side to other, it will be minus 2. So the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 14. So this will be answer. Similarly, find the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4. So once again, x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to 14 square. Once again, squaring both sides. So it will be a square plus b square. So a square means x raised to the power 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 upon x square into b square means 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is equal to 196. 14 square is 196. And once again, x raised to the power 4, this will be 2 plus 2 and this will be plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 upon x raised to the power 4, and here plus 2, when we transpose 196 minus 2, so it will be 194. So the value of this is 194 and the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 14. Similarly, this question number 7, if a square plus b square plus c square is given and ab plus bc plus ca is 50, find the value of a plus b plus c. So one formula we have, one formula a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 in bracket ab plus bc plus ca. This is formula a plus b plus c whole square. So here a plus b plus c given, a square plus b square plus c square given, which is equal to 125, and ab plus bc plus ca value given 50. So only we put the value and finally we get the value of a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c whole square, question number 7, which is equal to, what is the value of a plus b plus c whole square? 125 plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. The value is given 50. So 2 into 50, which is equal to 125 plus 100. So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 225, and the value of a plus b plus c is equal to square root of plus minus 225, and finally it will be 15, plus minus 15, a plus b plus c. The value is plus minus 15. And similarly, question number 8, if a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 14, find the value of a plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a. So only we a square, we subtract minus 2 both sides, because a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 ab, a square into 1 upon a square is equal to a minus 1 upon a whole square. So we write in this form, a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 a square into 1 upon a square. So we can solve first one. I am solving 8 first. The a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to given 14. So we subtract 2 both sides, subtracting. So it will be a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 12, we find the value plus. So adding 2 both side. So here we add 2, so it will be 16. So 1 plus 1 upon a is equal to square root of 16, which is equal to plus minus 4. So this is answer. Similarly, we subtract both side minus 2 and we get the second one. Thank you.